Why spend money on multiple supposedly cleansing products on your face and body when you can have soaps that exfoliate, deodorize, and cleanse all at the same time? Our black seed soap at 9.5 ounces or 275 grams is effective in diminishing acne, stretch marks and scars, and helps treat rashes with little black seeds that exfoliate. Red soap is a sister of the first soap and is very visually appealing at 9.5 ounces or 275 grams and can be used daily. Bath salts at 9 ounces or 250 grams is a very soothing way to liven up your bathing experience and fizzes up when placed in water. Thank you for watching our video, and please look through our other videos to get an impression of our company and its natural, effective, and attractive products.